Hey, guys, welcome back to Grow with Anykk. If you are looking for ways to grow your YouTube channel and get more views on your videos, you're in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top strategies for growing your YouTube channel and mastering YouTube SEO to get your videos discovered by the right audience. Let's get into it. Optimize your channel asterisk. First, let's talk about asterisk channel optimization star. Before you even upload videos, you need to be sure your channel is well set for success. 1. Create a clear channel name and branding. Your name should identify your niche or kind of content you create. Clean, constant, and easy on the eyes branding such as your logo and banner ought to shine. 2. Write a compelling channel description. This is important for both SEO and user experience. Be sure to describe what your channel is about in a way that is clear and enticing, and including relevant keywords that describe your content. 3. Organize playlists. Create playlists that are relevant to the content you create. Not only does this help with SEO, but it also keeps people watching more of your videos. Number 2. Video optimization. YouTube SEO. Now, let's dive into video SEO which is a crucial piece of growing on YouTube. 1. Keywords research. Before filming a video, research keywords that people are searching within your niche. Use tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ to see keywords with high search volume yet low competition. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags. Pro tip. Use a tool like Google Trends or YouTube's autocomplete to find trending topics. 2. Compelling title. This is the first thing viewers will see, so your title should be attention-grabbing. It should be clear, concise, and contain your primary keyword. Limit the length to under 60 characters so it does not get cut off. Example. Instead of how to get views on YouTube, use how to get more views on YouTube in 2024 easy tips. 3. Optimize video description. Description should be at least 250 words. First, include a clear introduction of what the video is about. Use your main keyword early in the description. Include secondary keywords, links to related content, and a call to action. Subscribe for more tips. 4. Use tags wisely. Include a combination of general and specific tags that represent the content of your video. Include your primary keyword, synonyms of it, and relevant terms. Example. If your video is about how to grow on YouTube, you could use tags such as how to grow on YouTube, YouTube tips, how to get more views, YouTube SEO. 5. Custom thumbnails. Thumbnails are one of the most crucial elements for CTR. Design catchy thumbnails with bold text and bright colors. It must visually represent your video's content. Engagement and community building. Let's discuss engagement and building a loyal audience. 1. Encourage viewers to comment, like, and share. The more engagement your videos get, the more YouTube will promote them. Ask questions in your video and encourage people to leave a comment. Also, remind them to like the video and share it if they found it useful. 2. Respond to comments. Engage with your audience by responding to comments. This builds a community and helps increase engagement, which is great for YouTube's algorithm. 3. Apply end screens and cards. At the end of every video, end screens can be applied, leading viewers to other videos within your channel. Also, cards can be implemented across your video to push them toward other content, boosting watch time. Consistency and analytics. Consistency breeds growth on YouTube. Post consistently. 1. Find a posting schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. The important thing is to be consistent. Uploading regularly helps you stay relevant and keeps your audience engaged. 2. Monitor your analytics. Look at your YouTube analytics to see what's working. Pay attention to watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate, CTR. These metrics will help you fine-tune your content strategy. Collaborate and promote. Don't underestimate the power of collaborations. 1. Work with other creators. Reach out to creators in your niche and collaborate on videos. And this exposes you to your audience, which may later translate to more subscribers or views. 2. Share videos on social media. Share your videos with Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and other social mediums. Use the right hashtags to increase viewability. So there you have it. Some of the best tips for growing your YouTube channel and mastering video SEO. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about YouTube growth. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.